AI Default has just hit the market, and if you're curious about how it can elevate your workflow or digital marketing game, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end, because I'll be covering the 7 most crucial things you need to know about this software, and trust me, you don't want to miss these insights if you want to stay ahead of the curve in the AI space. First off, if you're wondering whether it's really as good as the buzz suggests, let me tell you. AI Default is offering something fresh. It promises efficiency, simplicity, and results, all packed into one platform. And the best part? You can try it for free through the link in the description below. Let's dive into the details. AI Default has a sleek interface that immediately catches your attention. But it's not just about looks. It's designed with usability in mind. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, you'll find that the software doesn't require an overly steep learning curve. Its clean dashboard and intuitive setup make it simple to navigate even if you're new to AI tools. That said, there's still plenty of depth to explore once you dive deeper into the features. When it comes to the functionality, the standout feature of AI Default is its ability to generate high-quality content with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking for copy for your website, blog, or social media, the AI understands context and tone, producing content that feels natural and engaging. This is a game changer for digital marketers and content creators who want to scale without sacrificing quality. Another huge benefit is its automation. AI Default allows you to automate tedious tasks like email sequences, social media posts, and even customer support queries. Imagine saving hours a week by letting the software handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on the high-value aspects of your business. This automation isn't just for simple tasks either. It's versatile and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of your business. One of the more impressive things about AI Default is its continuous learning ability. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. The AI analyzes the data you input, learning from your preferences, and refining its output to better align with your goals over time. This isn't a static tool. It's dynamic, growing with your business. Now, let's talk about integrations. AI Default doesn't operate in isolation. It works seamlessly with popular platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and major CRM tools. Whether you're integrating AI Default with your website or syncing it with your email marketing software, it takes just a few clicks to get everything running smoothly. For anyone who's already using these tools, the ease of integration is a massive time saver. Something that sets AI Default apart from other AI tools is its customer support. While many AI platforms have a reputation for lacking personalized assistance, AI Default goes above and beyond. They offer live chat, email support, and detailed guides to make sure you get the most out of the software. Finally, pricing. AI Default offers multiple tiers, so you can choose a plan that best fits your budget and needs. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try it completely free through the link in the description, so there's really no risk in testing it out to see if it's the right fit for you. In conclusion, if you're looking for an all-in-one AI tool that can streamline your business operations, content creation, and marketing efforts, AI Default might be the game changer you've been waiting for. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out yourself with the free trial linked below. After trying out thousands of AI tools, I've got my recommended ones listed in the description, so you can jump straight into the best options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.